Hey everyone, it's Adam here from WaterBear. So it's lockdown, times are a bit tough, I know. So I thought I'd take this moment to give you a quick update on where we are and what we're doing to help our students get through this latest lockdown. We managed to keep our doors open at the college right up until January. We were really pleased we were able to do that so students could come in and have their teaching and learning on site. But once we got to January, the government said, no, we've got to shut. So we've had to move everything online. But with our hybrid teaching and learning model, we've done on-site blended with online stuff since the very start of WaterBear. So we feel that that is going to be okay. But we do want to go the extra yard and really try and do as much as we can to support our students with their work and projects through this lockdown period. So we've put in a range of measures, we're calling it our COVID support plan, to help students get through this time until they can get back on site. So what's the COVID support plan? Well, first of all, we're going to be opening up the facilities. So our Mac suites, our mixing suite and our seafront music venue, the Great Bear. We're going to open those up so students will be able to book those facilities and crack on with their work and projects. And for anyone that isn't local to the college, that can't travel down, we're going to be putting together our musician lockdown survival kits. So these are going to be loaned out to students and they're going to have a laptop, all the right software, mic, interface, cables, basically everything students are going to need to crack on with their work and their projects in this time. We're also looking at assessment deadlines and trying to get those extended as well. And with all of this stuff, we're reviewing this weekly as we go. So we're talking to students, finding out what it is they're going to need to make it easier for them to get through this lockdown period until we can all get back on site and on campus. So right now, we know it's tough, but we will get through this. And that light at the end of the tunnel is getting much, much brighter. And soon we'll be able to get everybody back on site. But until that time, please stay safe, keep following the advice. We'll see you again soon.